Welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor, and today's session is about 1B. That is, the name of the chapter is Locus. Locus. Okay, which carries 2 4-mark questions. That is equal to 8 marks. Okay, and also which is the one of the easiest chapter, which depends upon one formula, that is distance between 2 points. You know children, coming to method number 1, find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining 4, 0 and 0, 4 subtends right angle at P. Subtends right angle at P, right? Right angle at P, and the line segment joining points are 4, 0 and 0, 4. Suppose you call it as point A and point B. Try to understand the question, later we will do the answer. Find the equation of locus of P. We need to find the equation of locus of P if the line segment AB is a line segment, joining points are 4, 0 and 0, 4. They are subtending right angle at P. At P, which makes an angle 90 degrees. Right? We know that let the point P be x, y. According to Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to PA square plus PP square. According to Pythagoras theorem, what? Square of hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. I mean here AB square equal to PA square plus PP square. Right? So we know that what is the distance between 2 points formula? Distance between 2 points formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the distance between 2 points formula. Okay. So let us see. Here the distance between 2 points is A and B. First let us find between A and B. So AB is here A, that is 4, 0 and B is 0, 4. x1, y1, x2, y2. As already distance between 2 points A and B is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus whole square. Right? But here actually in the power we have two children. In the power we have, square. Distance between 2 points formula is root over, but in power we have square children. So what will happen? So basic the thing is square and square root gets cancelled. Okay children? Square root get cancelled means only we will be having x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square children. Okay? Now here there is no need of writing root over because already square is there on AB. So AB square, right? So we will get only x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay children? So let me write x2 in the sense 0 minus x1 in the sense 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 in the sense 4, y1 in the sense 0 whole square. Students, are you understanding why I am not writing here square root? We are not writing square root because on the power we have square. So that square and square root gets cancelled. That is the reason there is no need of writing square root over here. Okay. Now coming to P and A. So let our coordinates of P are x, y. And A is 4, 0. Again the same formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here we are finding distance between P and A. This is our P and this is our A. x1, y1, x2, y2, right? x2 minus x1 whole square. 4 minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square, right? P a square over. Between them we have addition symbol. Plus, now coming to division between P and B. So P is x comma y, that is x1 y1. B is 0 comma 4, that is x2 y2. Same. Division between P and B. x2 minus x1 whole square, I mean 0 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 4 minus y whole square. AB means division between A and B, which is on left hand side. In between we have equal sign. PA means division between P and A. This is PB means division between P and B. So 0 minus 4 whole square, 4 minus 0, 4 square equal to, so this is A minus B whole square, 4 minus x whole square, right? A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. 0 minus y, that is minus y whole square, plus 0 minus x, that is minus x whole square, plus again A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Right? Now minus 4 whole square, 4 square is nothing but 16, 4 square is nothing but 16, here 4 square is nothing but 16, plus x square, 2 4 the 8x, plus y square, plus x square, plus 4 square means 16, y square, 2 4 the 8 5. So as 16 gets cancelled, 16 gets cancelled. Okay, we don't have anything over here. 0 equal to x square plus x square, 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, and then minus 8x and then minus 8y. Right? So that is 0 equal to, if I take 2 as common, 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into y square, 2y square, 2 4 the 8, again 2 4 the 8. I mean as 2 is multiplying here, let me transpose, you will get 0 by 2, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. I mean 0 by something what? 0. So that is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Okay children? So what is the equation of locus of P? Therefore, equation of locus of P is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. Okay? This is one of the most important problem which they are going to ask in public examinations. Okay? Let us see the same method question. Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining points are 2, 3. Line segment joining points are what? 2, 3 and minus 1, 5. Minus 1, 5 subtends right angle at P. The same problem children. Same method. Only thing is the coordinates of A and B has been changed. Okay. Let the coordinates of A is, you call it as 2, 3 and the coordinates of B you call it as minus 1, 5. That's all. Everything is same. Right. Let us do now. Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining points 2, 3 and minus 1, 5 subtends right angle at P. Okay children? So as we know that according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, right? Now that is AB square equal to PA square plus PB square. Okay. Now distance between A and B. So this is A, we call it as x1 y1, and this is B, we call it as x2 y2. Distance between 2 points formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, right? So minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, I mean 5 minus 3 whole square is equal to, now PA square, I mean distance between P and A. So P is x1 comma y1 and A is x2 comma y2. Now distance between P and A, that is 2 minus x whole square plus 3 minus y whole square plus, now again distance between P and B, x1 y1 x2 y2, as x2 is minus 1 minus x whole square 5 minus y whole square, right? Now minus 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 3 whole square, 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2 square, is equal to 2 minus x whole square, I mean a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into x, 2 to the 4x, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 into 3 into y. Okay children, now you listen here carefully. Actually we have minus for both the terms, minus 1 minus x whole square. What is the meaning of that? If I take minus common, minus into plus minus, again minus into plus minus, it will become minus of 1 plus x whole square. We know that if the power is square, what is the result? Result will be positive, which is nothing but what? 1 plus x whole square. Children, you try to remember, if minus is there for both the terms, if it are like this, suppose one more terminology, minus 2 minus y is there. Nothing but what? Which is nothing but we have to apply a plus b whole square formula. Because we will take minus common this is kuntam. So if the power is even number, result is positive. So obviously, which comes under a plus b whole square formula. Don't go with a minus b whole square formula because minus we are taking common. Try to remember. Okay. Now this will become a plus b whole square formula only. So 1 square plus x square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 5 minus y whole square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Right? Now 3 square 9, 2 square 4, 2 square 4, as x square plus x square 2x square. This is, let me write minus 4x, 3 square 9, y square plus y square 2y square, 2 3 ja 6y, 1 square 1, 2 1 ja 2x, 5 square 25 minus 2 5 ja 10y. Right? So let us cancel 4 4 9 9. So we don't have right hand side 0. First 2x square and then 2y square. Now let us see x terms, minus 4x plus 2x, which will become minus 2x, minus 6y minus 10y, which is minus 16y, and then we have 1 and 25. 1 plus 25, that is equal to 26. Again we can take 2 as common. If I take 2 as common, 2 into x square 2x square, 2 into y square 2y square, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 8 16, 2 into 13 26. Right? Again 2 is multiplying, let us transpose, that is 0 by 2 equal to x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13. Right? So what is the equation of locus of P? That is x square Therefore, equation of locus of P is x square plus y square minus x minus 8y plus 13. Right? This is the equation of locus of P. Okay? They may ask the same method of problem. Let me give the one homework problem. Find the equation of locus of P with substance right angles are 0, 6 and 6, 0. So this is our third problem. Find the equation of locus of P if the line segment joining points are 0, 6 and 6, 0 subtends right angle at P. Subtends right angle at P. Okay, as we have discussed two problems, what you do? You try to solve the third problem. The coordinates of vertices A and B are 0, 6 and 6, 0. You try to do this sum so that this concept will be clear. Now coming to method number 2, that is based on area of triangle. First of all, let us understand what is the given question. Vertex A is 5, 3 and B is 3, -2 are two fixed points. Find the equation of locus of P so that area of triangle PAB is 9 square units. Area of triangle is PAB is 9 square units, right? So, given points are what? A 5, 3, we call it as x1, y1. B 3, -2, we call it as x2, y2. And P is x, y, we call it as x3, y3. And what is the given condition? Given condition, area of triangle PAB is 9 square units. You know children, what is the area of triangle formula? That is half into modulo of x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3 as well as y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3, which is given 9 square units. So children, try to remember the formula. Modulo of area of triangle is half into modulo of x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3. Right, which is given in the question, that is 9 square units. Okay, now let us substitute the values, you will get the answer. So half into, as x1 value is 5 and x2 value is 3, next x1 value is 5 minus x3 value is x, next y1 minus y2, y1 value is 3 minus y2 value minus 2 and y1 value 3 minus y3 value is y, that is equal to 9 square units, as which is 1 by 2. If you transpose, it will multiply, right? Modulo of 5 minus 3, 2, in that is 5 minus x, 3, minus into minus plus, that is 5 and 3 minus y, which is equal to 2 into 9, 2 9 is 18. Okay, now that of or A, B, C, D we called as, AD minus BC. 2 into 3 minus y minus 5 into 5 minus x, which is equal to 18 square units. So 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6, minus 2 into y, 2y, minus 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, minus into minus plus 5 into x, 5x, that is equal to 18. So 5x and then minus 2y, so 6 minus 25, that is minus 19, is equal to 18 square units. Okay, now what we will do children, let us remove this modular. So this will become what? 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to plus or minus 18. Okay, here we are removing the modular. So that is the reason it will become plus or minus. Okay, then we have two cases. Case 1 is 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to 18, and the second case is 5x minus 2y minus 19 equal to minus 18. One time we need to consider plus 18 and another time we need to consider minus 18. Okay, so 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 equal to 0. 5x minus 2y, that is equal to minus 19 minus 18 minus 37, that is equal to 0. Again here 5x minus 2y minus 19 minus 18 comes to this one, means plus 18 equal to 0. 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the equations of locus of P? We have equation of locus of P is 5x minus 2y minus 37 and 5x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. They are the equation of locus of P. Okay. Now let us discuss one more problem based on the same method, and the given vertices are a of 2 comma 3, a of 2 comma 3 and b of 3 minus 3 comma 4 are the two fixed points. Find the equation of locus of P so that the area of triangle PAB is 8.5 square units. 8.5 square units. The same method. The thing is, we have to change only the vertices of AB, and given area of triangle is what? 8.5 square units, right? So let us change the vertices. A is 2 comma 3, x1 y1. B is minus 3 comma 4, that is x2 y2, and at the point P be x comma y, x3 y3. And given area of triangle PAB, how much, children? Which is given 8.5 square units. Okay. So what is the formula? Area of triangle PAB half into x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2, y1 minus y3, which is given 8.5. Right? So let us substitute the values now. So what we will get, let us see now. Okay, children? The same thing here. Half into, as x1 value is 2 minus of x2 value minus 3, and x1 value is 2 and x3 value x, y1 value is 3 minus y2 value is 4, y1 value is 3 minus y3 value 4, that is given 8.5. Again here 2 is multiplying, transpose, so this will become 8.5 into 2, right? So 2 minus into minus plus, that is equal to 5, and this is 2 minus 6, 3 minus 4 minus 1, and this is 3 minus 5, which is equal to 8.5 into 2, that is equal to 17, children. 17, right? Now again, whose that modular AD minus BC, that is 5 into 3 minus 5 minus, actually minus will be this minus into this minus, it will become plus 1 into 2 minus x, that is equal to 17, right? 5 3s are 15 minus 5 into y, 5y, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 1 into x, 1x, equal to 17. So let me write first minus x and then minus 5y, 15 plus 2, 17. So here we are removing the modular so that it will become plus or minus 17. Right? So that we have two cases. Coming to case number 1, minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to 1 is plus 17. And the second one is minus x minus 5y plus 17 equal to minus 17. Right? Minus x minus 5y. So plus 17 minus 17 gets cancelled. So minus x minus 5y, which is equal to 0. So minus x minus 5y plus 17. Minus 17 if you transpose, it will become plus 17 equal to 0. So minus 5x minus x minus 5y plus 34 equal to 0. Therefore, what is the equation of locus of P? Therefore, the equation of locus of P is x plus. So I forgot to say here, as we are removing from the modular, right? So this will become plus x plus 5y, right? And this will become minus 17, right? So this will become plus x plus 5y. So minus 17, you call it as, this is minus 17. First we are considering plus 17. So let us change the values. We did somewhat x plus y. This is minus 17 equal to plus 17 one case. X plus 5y minus 17 equal to minus 17 is the another case. So this will become x plus 5y minus 17 equal to 0. Here minus 17 cancel. So x plus 5y equal to 0. This will become x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0. Because here we are removing from the modular, we have to check the sign as well as. So this is our second method, that is area of triangle PAB. The area of triangle PAB formula is half into x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3. Now coming to method number 3, find the equation of locus of a point P if A is given 2, 3 and B is given 2, minus 3 and the condition is PA plus PB equal to 8, right? So given condition is PA plus PB equal to 8. So PA equal to PB you transpose, it will become 8 minus PB. It will become what? 8 minus PB. Okay children? Now what you do? Let us do squaring on both sides. So this will become PA square equal to 8 minus PB whole square. So PA square equal to, now which is in the form of A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. So PA square equal to A square 64 plus PB square minus 2 8 16 PB. Okay children, now let us see. So PA square, I mean distance between P and A, right? Distance PA means distance between P and A. Distance between 2 points formula is root over. But already we have square over here, there is no need of writing root. Okay, so let us see P and A. As P is x comma y, A is 2 3. So x1 y1 x2 y2, right? x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 3 minus y whole square equal to 64 plus, now P and B. P is x comma y, B is 2 minus 3, this is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square, I mean 2 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square minus 16 PB. Okay children, don't confuse at all. This is our PA square equal to 64 plus this is our PB square and this is minus 16 PB. So 2 square minus A square plus B square minus 2AB, 2 into 2 4x. Next A square 3 square. Okay, let us write directly, as we know that 2 square value 4. Next 3 square 9 plus y square minus 2 into 3 into y, 2 3 ja 6y equal to 64 plus 2 square 4 plus x square minus 2 into 2x 4x. Again as I told you, minus 3 minus 5, both the terms has minus So 3 square 9 plus y square 2 9 ja 18y minus 16 pb. X square cancel, y square cancel. So here we have minus 4x and here we have minus 6y, 4 plus 9 13 equal to, here we have minus 4x and then we have 18y and then 64 plus 4 68. One thing we will do, no need of writing 13 here. So 4 will cancel, 9 also let us cancel, equal to minus 4x plus 18y and here we have 64 minus 16 pb. Okay children, so here we can also cancel minus 4x as well as minus 4x. So what we have here now, minus 6y (9 plus y square plus 2 3 just 6y only. This is also 6y only children, not 18y, which is 6y, because a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 3 just 6y. Okay, that plus 6y you transpose this side, it will become minus 6y, right, which is equal to, we have now 64 and 16 pb. So minus 6y minus 6y, that is equal to minus 12y, and this plus 64 comes to this side, means minus 64 equal to minus 16 pb. So let us take minus common, you will get 12y plus 64 equal to minus 16 pb. So minus gets cancelled. Again from these two terms I can take 4 as common, 4 3 are 12y, 4 16 are 64 equal to, what we have here, 16 pb. Again 4 table, 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. So what we got? We got 3y plus 16. Yes, correct only we got 3y plus 16. Let us write here 3y plus 16 equal to 4 pb. 3y plus 16 equal to 4 pb. Okay. Again what we have to do? Again we have to do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So 3y plus 16 whole square equal to 4 pb whole square. So as we know that 4 square means what? 16. This will become 16 pb square. 16 pb square, right? Now this is a plus b whole square formula. 3y whole square, nothing but 9y square, 16 square, 256 plus 2 3 ja 6, 6 16 ja 96y equal to 16 into pb square. As already we did pb square value what? This is our pb square value, that is 4 plus x square minus 4x, 9 plus y square plus 6y. This is our pb square value. So 9y square plus 256 plus 96y equal to 16 4 ja 64, 16 into x square, 16x square, 16 4 ja 64, 16 9 ja 144, 16y square plus 16 6 ja 96y. Right? Can we cancel anything? Yes, 96y gets cancelled, and then we have 9y square plus 256 equal to, here we have 16x square and then we have 16y square minus 64x. So 64 plus 144. 144 plus 64. We have 208. Okay, let us transpose towards right hand side. As we have 16x square plus here 16y square is there. If you transpose 9y square towards right hand side, 16 minus 9 which is equal to 7y square. Then 64x, 256 minus 208, 8, which is equal to minus 48, that is equal to 0. So what is the equation of locus of P? That is 16x square plus 7y square minus 64x minus 48 equal to 0. So when we are doing calculation, we must be careful. The concept is what? It depends upon this given condition, PA plus PB equal to 8. The thing is, we have to transpose PA equal to 8 minus PB. Then we have to do squaring on both sides. You will get this equation. Again we have to do squaring on both sides. That you will get the required locus of P. Okay children. Now they may ask question in this manner also. Find the equation of locus of P. Let us see now next question. Find the equation of locus of P. The sum of whose distances from 0 comma 2, 0 comma minus 2 is 6 units. Children, here the condition, they have not given condition directly. Try to understand the question. Find the equation of locus of point P. The sum of whose distances from 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is 6 units. The sum of whose distances? I mean, distance between P and A, sum means plus. Distance between P and B is given 6 units. Are you understanding children? Sum means plus. Whose distance is from? I mean, this is our point P, this is A and this is B. Distance between P and A and P and B. This is our 0 comma 2 and this is our 0 comma minus 2. P and A and P and B is 6 units. So condition is what? PA plus PB is equal to 6 units. Right? So if you transpose PB towards right hand side, it will become 6 minus PB. Again the same method. Squaring on both sides. So PA square equal to 6 minus PB whole square. Okay. So as here 6 is there. So it will become 6 square minus 2 into 6 into PB. So 6 square is 36, PB square as it is, 2 6 are 12 PB. 2 6 are 12 PB. Okay. Now from here, as the values are different, so let us solve now again. So distance between P and A. P is our x comma y and this is our x2 y2, this is A and this is our B, also we call as x2 y2. So PA square x minus 0 whole square, x minus 0 whole square and y minus 2 whole square equal to 36 plus PB whole square, x minus 0 whole square plus y minus into minus plus y plus 2 whole square minus 12 PB. Okay children? X minus 0 x only. So x square a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 36 plus x minus 0 x square a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 12pb. Right? X square cancel, y square cancel. Right? here 4 minus 4y equal to 36 plus 4 14 plus 4y minus 12 pb. Right? So let us take that all terms towards right hand side, or else we'll take towards left hand side. So we have here 4y minus 4y comes to this means plus 4y, then minus 12 pb. So 4 you transpose that side, 40 minus 4 that is equal to 0. So 4y plus 4y 8y minus 12 pb plus 36 equal to 0. So let us take 4 common. 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 9s are, which is equal to 0. So 2y minus 3pb plus 9 equal to 0 by 4. 0 by something 0. So what we got, children? We got 2y plus 9 equal to, let us transpose this minus 3pb towards right hand side, it will become plus 3pb. So 0 by something 0 only. Let me write here 2y minus 3pb plus 9 equal to 0 by something 0. We kept 2y plus 9 as it is, minus 3pb we transposed. Again what we have to do, children? Squaring on both sides. So 2y plus 9 whole square equal to 9 pb square. Again a plus b whole square formula. So a square 9 square 81 plus 2 3 2 ja 4 4 9 ja 36y equal to 9 into pb square. What is pb square, children? So this is our pb square, x square plus y square plus 4 plus 4y. Right? So 4y square plus 81 plus 36y equal to 9 into x square, 9x square, 9 into y square, 9y square, 9 into 4, 36 plus 9 into 4, 36y. Let us take all the terms towards right hand side. 9x square, here 9y square is there, 4y square if you transpose, 9 minus 4, 5y square. 36y cancel. Plus 81 transpose that side, it will become minus 81, which is minus 45 equal to 0. Okay, children. Therefore, what is the equation of locus of point P? That is 9x square plus 5y square minus 45 equal to 0. Okay. And also they may ask question like this. Let us see one more problem. Find the equation of locus of P if the differences of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 whose differences from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8 units. What is the question, children? Try to understand. Find the equation of locus of point P if the differences of whose distances from minus 5 comma 0 and 5 comma 0 is 8 units. Can you find out what is the difference between the previous problem and this problem? They asked sum of the whose distances from given points is given. But here in this case they are not asking sum, children. Can you guess what they are asking here? They are asking difference. So instead of plus, what we have to write here? Children, here difference. Difference means what? Distance between P and A and P and B is how many units? 8 units. So PA minus PB equal to 8 square units. Right? Question understood? Now similar manner, given whose difference P and A and P and B is 8 square units. So what we have to do? We have to transpose PA equal to, it will become 8 plus PB. Right? PA square equal to 8 plus PB whole square. So distance between P and A, P is x comma y, right? So x minus into minus plus, so this will become x plus y whole square, y minus 0, y square. 8 square 64, PB square plus 2 ij 16 PB, right? X square, 5 square is 25, 2 into 5 10x, a square plus b square plus 2ab, y square equal to 64 plus pb square plus 16, sorry, let us do pb square. Distance between P and B, x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus we have 16 PB, right? So let us write x square plus y square plus 10x plus 25 equal to 64 plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, y minus 0 y square plus 16 pb, x square, y square. So what we have here, 10x plus 25 equal to minus 10x plus 16 pb. So 64 plus 25, 5 plus 4, 9, 89. So minus 10x plus 16b plus 89. Okay, let us take the terms this side. 10x minus 10x comes to this side means plus 10x. 25 plus 89 comes to this side means minus 89 equal to 16 pb. 10x plus 10x, 20x, 89 minus 25, which is 64 equal to 16 pb. Let us take 4 as common. 4 5 are 20, 4 16 are 64 equal to 16 pb. 4 table, 4 1 jar, 4 4 jar. So 5x minus 16 equal to 4 pb. Again what to do, children? Squaring on both sides. 5x minus 16 whole square equal to 4 pb whole square. That is equal to 25x square, 16 square 256 minus 2 5 are 10, 10 into 16 160. 4 square means 16 pb square. What is the value of pb square, children? So this is the value of pb square, x square plus y square minus 10x plus 25. So 25x square plus 256 minus 160x equal to 16 into x square, 16x square, 16 into y square, 16y square, 16 into 10s, 160, and 25 6 are 150, 15, 25 into 16, 16 to the 12, 32 plus 8, 400, right, which is 400. Now what we will do, let us transpose this side. Minus 160x gets cancelled. 25 plus 16 comes to this side means minus 16, which will become 9x square minus 16y square. 400 minus 256, 10 minus 6 4, which is equal to minus 144 equal to 0. So what is the equation of locus of point P? That is 9x square minus 16y square minus 144 equal to 0. So these are the methods of problem they are asking in public examination. So sometimes they may give directly also. For example, see, find the equation of locus of P. Point A is given 4 comma 0, B is given minus 4 comma 0, and modulo of PA minus PB is given 4. So instead of giving the difference of whose distances from A and B is 4 units, directly they will do. If it is given directly, simply we can do it easily. If at all they are giving indirectly, then we have to understand the problem properly, then we have to go with the answer, right? Now coming to problem number 10, they are asking like this also. The problems directly they are giving condition also. A is given, B is given, C is given. They are the 3 points. A point P moves such that PA square plus PB square equal to 2PC square. What is the condition? Given condition is PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square. Right? PA means distance between P and A. PB means distance between P and B. And PC means distance between P and C. We have the letter PB x comma y. So first between P and A, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is PA square. Then PB square. P and P. X minus 2 whole square. Y minus into minus plus. Y plus 3 whole square equal to 2 into PC square. P and C. X minus into minus plus. X plus 2 whole square. And y minus 3 whole square. X square 1 square 1 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Again a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 2 into a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Again a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay children, this term is this. Again this term equal to 2 into x square plus 4 plus 4x, y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, so here x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x minus 4y plus 6y, that is equal to 2y. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 9 18 equal to 2 into, let us multiply 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 4 jar 8, 2 4 jar 8, 2 into y square, 2y square, 2 9 jar 18, 2 6 jar 12. 2x square, 2x square, 2y square, 2y square. Right? Now let us take this side. Ls 18, 18 cancel. Now minus 6x plus 2y equal to 8x minus 12y plus 8. Let us transpose towards right hand side. So already 8x is there, minus 6x comes to the same means plus 6x, minus 12y plus 2y goes to the same means minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. 8x plus 6x, 14x minus 2y minus 12y minus 14y plus 8 equal to 0. So let me take 2 common. 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, which is equal to 0. As 2 is multiplying transpose, 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0 by 2. So 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0 by something 0. So what they are asking, the equation of locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Yes, again we got the equation of locus of P is 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. Now coming to one more method question. If the distance from P to the points 2, 3 and 2, minus 3 are in the ratio 2:3. I mean, if you consider this is a point A and this is point B, and they are saying the ratio of PA is to PB is given 2:3. Children, are you understanding? If the distance is from P to A and P to B, P to A and P to B are in the ratio. Ratio means what? PA is to PB is given 2:3. Okay, children? Distance between P and A is to distance between P and B is 2:3. Okay? How can I write this? PA by PB equal to 2/3. So cross multiplication, 3 into PA equal to 2 into PB. What we will do, children? Let us do squaring on both sides. So this will become 9PA square equal to 4PB square. Right? So 9 into distance between P and A. So P is x comma y. P and A. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 4 into PB. 2 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. So 9 into a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab equal to 4 into a minus b whole square, 2 square 4, x square, 2 2 ja 4x. As it is a plus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? Now 9 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 9 plus 4, 13 equal to 4 into x square y square minus 4x plus 6y, 4 plus 9, 13. Right? So let us multiply with the 9 each and every term. 9x square, 9y square, 9 4 ja 13, 9 6 ja 54, 39 ja 13 into 9, 9 3 ja 27, 9 1 ja 9 plus 2, 11, 117. 4 into x square, 4x square, 4 into y square, 4y square, 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja 24, 13 4 ja 52. Okay, let us transpose now. 9x square plus 4x comes to side means minus 4x square. It will become 5x square. 9y square minus 4y square, 5y square minus 36x minus 16x. If you transpose plus 16x, this will become minus 20x. Plus 24 comes to this means minus 24, that is minus 78y. 117 minus 52. 7 minus 2, 5. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5, 6. That is 65 equal to 0. Right? So, what is the equation of locus of P? That is 5x square plus 5y square minus 20x minus 78y plus 65 equal to 0. So, this is our locus of P. Children, this chapter, whatever the methods they are asking in the previous year public examinations, we covered all the topics. I hope this chapter is very clear to you, which carries 2 4-mark questions, that is 8 marks. As you all know that 1B, one of the toughest subject in mathematics first year. So solve it so that you will get easily 8 marks. So don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, children. Thank you.